Are you being annoyed by the D2d1 library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. I recommend the automated system scan for D2d1 library to finish your setup in seconds. This DLL file is the Direct2D library, a hardware-accelerated 2D graphics API. It provides high-performance rendering for 2D geometry, bitmaps, and text, used by modern Windows applications for a smooth and responsive user interface. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The D2d1 library DLL is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the D2d1 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the D2d1 library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the D2d1 library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved you the D2d1 library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.